My first name is Namdi and I am Tibetan. Tibetan die every day, war kids are watching. Chinese government strong, but they are wrong. Chinese police are crazy. They kill Tibetans and they play with their organs. Say what you can do, we will never give up. Tibetans in Tibet, they have to their worries tomorrow. Yeah. Show you all ability and possibility. From the difficulty, we have to be in unity. Chinese government should be cool capability. You guys are killing all invisibility. Don't let this war against the 40,000 dollars. Yeah.